Add a horizontal section and position it at the desired level. Now open the level where you previously inserted the section and start modeling your architectural objects, such as, for example, the building envelope. Select the object's start and end point. Change the alignment axis. Edit the length across both directions. Visually identify the thickness. If necessary, fix the alignment angle. View the detected thickness, rounded and already used in your project values. Choose the correct thickness value and confirm data input. Repeat the same operation for all other objects. In case of variable thicknesses, choose the variable thickness option. Visually identify both thicknesses and confirm values.